So these are types: unilateral, bilateral, and the multilateral. In the unilateral, a single government authority and a single company. In bilateral, two companies or the one companies with the two government authority. One authority operating in India and the other authority operating in USA. Take an example of Infosys. ये company USA में भी operate करती है, India में भी operate करती है. So one is the Central Board of Direct Taxes in India. Another is the Tax Authority of the USA, and the company is Infosys. So this is the bilateral agreement between the countries. Similar for the multilateral. If a company is operating in the multiple countries, that comes under the multilateral advanced pricing agreements. So advanced pricing agreement का mean ये हुआ, the company is signing up an agreement with the Central Board of Direct Taxes in India related to their transaction worldwide. In advance में ही sign कर रहे हैं. Like अभी financial year start हुआ है 24, so they are signing for the next year as well कि जो भी transaction होगी तो इस base पे we will pay the tax to the CBDT. So that's why the name APA.